Hello, good morning, students. Our 8th chapter, Whose Pencil is This? Is cancelled. So, we are going to learn our next chapter, Don't Destroy the Nature. Page number 33, lesson number 9. So, we will start our lesson. Children, we are all living Earth, and on Earth we are living in India. India, it is a beautiful country. India blessed with a beautiful nature. So today's lesson on about beautiful nature only. I am going to read, listen carefully. Mummy, mummy, cried Bobby aloud. But mummy did not hear him. She was working in the kitchen. Mummy, mummy, he cried again. Even louder. Yes, Bobby. This time Mummy heard him and she went to the study room. There, Bobby and his little sister, Wrinkle, were doing their homework. See, Mummy, Wrinkle spoiled my picture. Telling this, he showed his drawing book to his mother. Mummy took the drawing book and checked it. Bobby was right. He had drawn a very beautiful picture. In was It was the picture of a house. There was a beautiful garden in front of the house. A few birds were sitting on the trees in the garden. The picture was really very beautiful, but Wrinkle spilt a bottle of ink on it. So the picture got spoiled. So Bobby was angry and sad. That is why he complained to Mummy. See what happened? Bobby drawn very nice beautiful picture of house. In front of house garden was there, but ink spilled by his little sister, so he was angry. What Bobby's little sister saying to mother, we will see. I'm sorry, mummy. I did not see the ink pot and spilt it unknowingly. I'm sorry, brother. You should be more careful, Wrinkle. You spilt ink on Bobby's beautiful picture and spoilt it. He is sad because it was his work and he loved it. Mummy then took the children to the garden. They saw some branches of tree lying on the ground. Somebody had broken it. Mummy told them, see children, somebody has broken the branches of the tree. A tree is beautiful when its branches are full of leaves and flowers, but we, without any special reason, break it and throw it. Children, we are doing also same. Yes or no? Now we will see next para on page number 34. Now let me ask you, who made this tree? God, said Wrinkle. Yes, you are right, Wrinkle, said Mom. When your picture got spoiled, you were sad. Is it not, Bobby? Asked Mummy again. Yes, Mom, because it was my work. Yes, said Mummy. When you saw your work spoiled, you became sad and angry. When we spoil or do any harm to God's work, He also feels bad. Sometimes He may even get angry. So we should not in any way destroy anything that God has made. Now, can you tell me what are the things that God made? Children, you also tell me what is a God made? Which is things of God? Yes, good. All nature, all nature made by God. It is a God's beautiful creation. Last para on page number 34. Yes, mummy. God made the world and everything in it. People are also made by God, said Bobby. Bobby is correct. The world and everything in it is created by God. The trees, the plants, the flowers, the water, etc. We should not destroy any of them because of God loves everything He made. If we spoil any of them, He becomes sad. Understood, student? It is a God creation, and so if we harm it, then God will sad, and sometimes He will punish also to us. Now we will not destroy anything, mummy. Every day we will water the plants. We will plant more trees and small plants, said both the children together. So always remember this, nature is a God's work. When we hurt nature, God is a sad. Very nice lesson. Understood, students? Very good. Thank you.